What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back, man. Today's video, we're gonna talk about. Put this in the seatbelt. That's why I can't wait to get my taser to come so I can turn that damn seatbelt thing on. But today's video, man, we're gonna talk about warranty. And if you're thinking about buying a 2019 Charger, Challenger, Jeep Ram, whatever it may be, what I just found out is Dodge are offering, some dealerships are offering lifetime warranties on all their new vehicles, and some people are offering it on their used vehicles. And the reason why I think that's important is because my previous experience, man, with getting things fixed getting stuff fixed under warranty wasn't that good. Like I said, before I had this car, man, I had a Chrysler 300, and the problem I was having was with the seatbelt and the airbags. The seatbelt thing was fixed pretty quick. I'm not sure exactly what that was, but the airbag situation, I took my car back and forth to the dealership at least 5 or 6 times because my airbag light kept coming on. And I really think it was the dealership that I took it to, and their service department was just terrible, because the place that I bought my 300 from, it was a little distance from where I live, so I chose the dealership that was close to me, and that was the worst experience ever, man. So there's a couple things you need to keep in mind. You need to find you a good dealership that has really good reviews. Make sure you're reading the reviews, man, about these dealerships, because some of them are terrible, man. Unfortunately, Chrysler, Dodge, man, they don't have, the service departments of some of these dealerships are just horrible. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely got to do your research and make sure you're picking a good dealership, because when you try to take your car in to get something fixed under warranty, they're not going to honor it, man. Trust me. And if that ever happens to you, here's what you do, man. Oh shit, let me get out here. Oh shit. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. But sorry about that, man. Never get enough of that, bro. But like I was saying, man, if you're having a problem getting something fixed under warranty, what I had to do was call Chrysler and actually get an agent. And what they'll do is they'll call the dealership and make sure that the work is being done and make sure it's done right, and you won't have to pay anything. Because if you just pull up at the dealership, and if it's a major issue that the dealership can't figure out, they will definitely give you the runaround, unless you call them and have Chrysler follow up and make sure the work is done. Because what I had to do, man, I had to call Chrysler. My case manager had to keep continuously calling them. They wouldn't answer the phone. Every time I took it up there, they would say it's fixed. 2 weeks later, I had the same issue over and over and over again. So make sure you pick the right dealership when you buying your car, man. And find a dealership that's offering a lifetime warranty on their vehicles, because that's the dealership you want to go to. Because trust me, at some point you're gonna have to take your car in and have it serviced. And if something's broken under warranty or something's not working that's under warranty, you want them to be able to honor that warranty, man. And you don't want to have to pay for it, because I had to eventually pay for half of the part because they would not honor my warranty. So I said, from now on, if I buy a 2019 Dodge, Chrysler, whatever it may be, I'm getting a lifetime warranty, and I make sure I pick the right dealership. Now, the dealership I bought my car from, the dealership I bought my RT from in Waldorf, Maryland, really good dealership, man. The service department on point. They don't give you no crap about putting tires on your car, or you know, doing anything you want done to the car, man, they make it happen. And I'll leave a link to their website so y'all can check them out if you live in the DMV area. But yeah, man, so you gotta make sure you picking the right dealerships, and because you don't want to get caught out there like I did, man. At one point, the dealership had my car for like 2 weeks. So I without my car for 2 weeks. I got the car back like 3 days later. I had the same problem again. They had to keep my car. I had to drive my small car around for another week. Got the car back and still had the same problem. So what we eventually did was I picked a different dealership to take it to have it fixed. They fixed the problem and it was done and over with. You know what I'm saying? So picking the right dealership is definitely a major thing, man. So make sure y'all doing that. But you know, like I said, the point of this video is, man, you just look out for, check and see what dealerships are offering the lifetime warranty for their vehicles. And that's the dealership you want to go with, man. Because, man, the reason why I'm telling y'all this, man, is because the last time I took my Charger in to have it serviced, you know, the service guy was like, you know, a lot of people don't realize how much it costs to fix these cars. You know, and I've mentioned this before in some of my previous videos. You know, it's pretty easy to get one of these cars, get it financed, and, you know, drive off the lot. But when it comes down to the maintenance and, you know, having things fixed, you gotta have everything covered, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I believe he told me the brake job, even on a Hellcat, is about $1,500. Now I'm not sure if he was just exaggerating or, you know, if he was telling the truth. I mean, I'm assuming he's telling the truth. He works in the service department. So just consider all that stuff. You know what I'm saying, when you're about to buy one of these cars, because you don't want to be, you know, left out there, man, when it come down to, you know, getting your car fixed and you standing there looking crazy because you done went out on a limb and got a damn Hellcat and can't get it serviced. So definitely look for, you know, the dealerships that's offering the lifetime warranties on their vehicles. I know at one point they had stopped doing it, but I see it's back now for the 2019, so that's definitely something to consider, especially if you're getting a red-eye Hellcat, you're buying a Demon and all that stuff, man. You definitely want to make sure you keep your eye out for the dealers that's offering that warranty, because, you know, it costs a pretty penny to keep these cars on the road, man. So that's basically what this video is about. You know, just want to give you guys a heads up, let you know there are dealerships out here offering lifetime warranties. And, you know, like right now, my car is out of warranty. So if anything breaks, I got to fix it. I got to pay for it to be fixed. Because, see, they weren't offering the lifetime warranty when I bought my 2016. And I could have purchased, you know, an aftermarket warranty. But what I think I'm going to do is just call Dodge and see how much it would cost to, you know, to get a service contract on my car, since it's out of, you know, the bumper-to-bumper factory warranty, and just see how much it costs, because I'm not trying to be standing there, you know, stuck when they say, oh, you need a transmission, you know what I'm saying? But I think I got, I think the powertrain warranty is still active, but, you know, as far as anything else, man, I think I'm shit out of luck. So pay attention to that, man, when you're getting ready to buy these cars, man, especially you getting a Durango SRT and all that. You gotta be ready to service that car, man, when you know, when the time comes. So that's what this video is about, man. That's the end of this video. I'll see y'all on the next one. Might try to keep me from getting over, man. That's not gonna work when you're driving a Hemi. If I was driving a Honda Accord, then maybe so. But anyway, guys, I appreciate the love. I see y'all on the next video. Peace.